Man, hey, what's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. And man, before we even get started, before we even get jumped in, I just want to thank all y'all for 7.9K subscribers, gang. None of this would have been possible if it wasn't for y'all. I was never expecting to have this much subscribers, this much people watch the videos. So all this is a blessing, and I want to keep thanking y'all. So let's just get straight into the video, man.
AP pull up to the crib, he better duck. I told P if he pull up to this truck, he'll get turned to pack of runs. Yeah, nigga fuck Coco too. If he run up, he get sent to the sun. Only Coco I know is.
As you can see by the thumbnail and by the title, you already know what it is, bro. I had to get it. So first I'm gonna do an unboxing. Then we're gonna go to the range and shoot this bad boy, man. I'm trying to let y'all know now, after shooting this is probably gonna be my EDC. Matter of fact, not even probably. This is gonna be my EDC, and it's the best EDC you can get right now. And that's my opinion. So before y'all get in the comments and say anything else, this is my opinion at the end of the day. So now for the unboxing part of the video, you know, obviously the great, beautiful Glock case. I slapped the Yeti sticker on there because I just got a new Yeti. But a little instruction book, show you how to take the optic cover off, you know, and what you need to do that. Some more pamphlets, trigger lock, some cleaning tools, a speed, ooh, Lord, a speed loader, then also the backup mag. But that's pretty much all. Oh, another tool, the optic tool that comes with it, pamphlet. But that's pretty much all. Now we finna go shoot this thing. I'm not finna waste your time no more, bro. As you can see, is gunpowder all over my booth and all over my gun. So that's why I had to record this.
Okay, what are you gonna shoot at? Didn't you want to shoot?
As y'all can see, these the rounds I was shooting, and from that last clip I had just one squiddy. But the people in the range told me if I just contact these people and let them know that I had a squiddy, they'll probably send me some free ammo or some free gear to make up for this incident. But not a bad company at all, because I shot 50 more rounds off camera and I didn't have any more issues. So I might just contact them and let them know that I had one squiddy and see where it goes from there, and I'll keep y'all updated, man. But after shooting the Glock 43X, it's not as snappy as I see some people on YouTube say it is. To me, it's not that snappy. I think it has like perfect recoil, and I think it's the perfect everyday carry gun because it's so small and compact, and I'm a larger dude, so you could barely see it on me anyway. I like the appendix carry, so it's gonna be hard for anybody to see it on me. It shot well, and I didn't have any malfunctions. Like I said, Glock reliability is 10 out of 10. It was just my ammo, so I can't really blame Glock for that. But I really do recommend the Glock 43X or a PSA dagger or Glock 19 for somebody's first gun. Probably not the 43X for your first gun, but a PSA dagger and a Glock 19. But for this video, the Glock 43X, since I'm used to guns, I'll just put that in my EDC rotation because I usually just carry the dagger. But I really love this gun a lot, and after shooting it for the first time, that just put the cherry on top, you know.